Welcome to the Common User Interface overview presentation on medications in the CURIO project. What we'll cover today is a background on medications line and list from a design point of view, an overview and introduction to the features, and then look at the CURIO implementation. It's important to note that this is a proof of concept implementation and not a full working implementation currently. The CURIO implementation is based on e-prescribing guidance from the NHS team in the UK. This defines prescribing model with types, rules and modifiers based on the DM+D drug dictionary and also a CFH dose syntax developed by the e-prescribing team. The common user interface is then allowed to present the medications line in a structured, formatted way, conforming to key safety principles. The medication types rule allows standard minimum prescription and a standard order for content in secondary care in the medications line. Within the CUI components, we're then allowed to manage atomic components, enabling machine processing of the medication types, applying overall rules and display order per type, achieving the patient safety benefits. The patient safety benefits are outlined in the common user interface medications line specification. In order to find the documentation around DM+D implementation, please go to the e-prescribing website and you'll find the DM+D implementation guide under the system implementation section. The common user interface guidance focuses on core areas, including formatting drug names, displaying numbers, separators, text labels and line spacing. The focus areas for standardization at the moment are around wrapping, truncation, abbreviation and symbols. As you can see from this illustration, there are quite a lot of different features that are inherent in the CUI medications line. Firstly, we prioritize the display of the drug name and item. We also separate the dose item with at least 2 spaces from the actual drug name. Avoid using frequency abbreviations, avoid truncation, and also avoid wrapping the drug name, although there are specific rules for wrapping the medication line safely. The medication line is actually incorporated in the common user interface medications list. The medication list has key features itself, including a current and past button at the top, to include or exclude current and past medications, filtering and grouping using the control at the top here, and also rules around display of the medication line within a list and display of dates and times associated with the medication. You'll find all this guidance in the CUI medications guidance directory. The focus for CURIO project is around DM+D integration using the DM+D implementation guide and the special file created to enable separation of medication line components. Also, the key focus functionally is on wrapping and truncation of medication line. Well, as mentioned, all the guidance is available in the CUI guidance catalogue, cui.nhs.uk, and you'll find medications management section contains medications views, drug administration also implemented in the CURIO project, search and prescribe, and medications line and list. Coming back to the CURIO focus, for more information on the technical challenges and the implementation aspects of the CURIO medications list and line, please see our associated webinar on the eHealth open source site.